The one thing that I've started to do living in the halls is that I've begun cooking. I enjoy it now. It's a new hobby and it helps me de-stress, and I'm proud of sometimes what I cook because it really comes out good, and thanks to the recipes that my mum has sent me, or she sent me with, it helps me miss home a little less because it's not that I'm homesick, but I enjoy eating my home food. My name is Varun Dastur. I'm studying a Master's in Sports Management at the University of Portsmouth. Shopping around Portsmouth is pretty convenient. It's like 10 minutes to the supermarket. Towards South Sea, there are a lot of Indian shops, Asian shops if I can say, and they have most of the ingredients that we need, the spices, samosas and stuff like that we don't get everywhere. I live in Trafalgar Halls, which is really centrally located to everything, the university, the shopping centre, the pubs and everything. I met a lot of different people from different countries. We all eat together. It's like a family situation kind of, because you know it's like 8 o'clock and everyone's going to eat, so everyone's in the kitchen cooking and stuff. I'm beginning to cook something, I'll ask either Rosie or Sanchi or whoever will, do you want to eat something? So yeah, if they're up for it, I do cook for them, and yeah, usually they say they like it, they eat it, it gets over, the food is done, so that's a good sign, so I'm guessing I'm pretty good at it.